Harold never imagined he'd learn piano at his age. The park bench had been his only companion for so long. Piano for All made it simple, turning his daily park visits into enjoyable practice sessions. The tablet became his window to a new world of music. Each day brought new skills and challenges, from basic chords to flowing melodies. Harold's fingers danced across the keys with growing confidence. As seasons changed, so did Harold's abilities, surprising passers-by with his improving talent. The park became his stage and strangers his audience. His dedication through the cold winter months showed that learning knows no bounds. Even snowflakes seemed to dance to Harold's melodies. Harold's story proves that music knows no age limit. Ready to play? Visit pianoguidance.com and let your fingers dance across the keys.